Soundcore R60i NC versus Soundcore R50i NC. Which Soundcore earbuds should you buy? In this video, we're comparing the Soundcore R60i NC and the Soundcore R50i NC to help you decide which pair of earbuds is the better buy. We'll compare their design, sound quality, active noise cancellation, battery life, call quality, and overall value so you can choose the right earbuds for your needs. Let's start with the design. Both earbuds have a lightweight stem-style design that's comfortable for everyday use. However, the R60i NC features a more refined finish, improved build quality, and an IP55 dust and water resistance rating, making it a better choice for workouts and outdoor use. Now let's talk about sound quality. This is where the biggest difference appears. The Soundcore R50i NC is tuned with a stronger bass emphasis. If you enjoy deep, punchy bass for genres like hip-hop, EDM, or pop, you'll probably like its sound signature. The Soundcore R60i NC, on the other hand, delivers a cleaner and more balanced sound. It still has solid bass, but it's tighter and less overpowering, allowing vocals and instruments to sound clearer with better separation. It also supports high-res audio and LDAC, giving compatible Android devices higher-quality wireless audio that the R50i NC doesn't offer. Next, let's compare active noise cancellation. The R50i NC already offers good ANC for its price, but the R60i NC improves on it with adaptive ANC rated at up to 52 dB of noise reduction. In real-world use, the newer model blocks more low-frequency noise and generally performs better in offices, airplanes, and public transportation. Call quality has also improved. Both earbuds include AI-powered microphones, but users generally report that the R60i NC produces clearer voice calls with better background noise reduction. Although neither model completely eliminates heavy environmental noise. Battery life is excellent on both models. The R60i NC offers up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 50 hours with the charging case, depending on ANC usage. The R50i NC also provides impressive battery life, but the newer model generally lasts longer in everyday use. Now let's talk about features. The R60i NC includes several upgrades, including LDAC support, high-res audio certification, adaptive ANC, more customization through the Soundcore app, and in some regions, AI translation. These additions make it a much more feature-rich pair of earbuds than the R50i NC. So which one should you buy? If your main priority is big bass at the lowest possible price, the Soundcore R50i NC is still an excellent budget option. However, if you're willing to spend a little more, the Soundcore R60i NC is the better overall package. It offers cleaner sound, stronger noise cancellation, LDAC support, improved microphones, longer battery life, and a more premium design. Most reviewers and long-term users consider it a meaningful upgrade over the R50i NC. Here's my honest verdict. For most buyers, I'd recommend the Soundcore R60i NC. The improvements in sound quality, ANC, and features make it one of the best value-for-money budget earbuds currently available. The R50i NC remains a great choice if you're shopping on a tighter budget and prefer a bass-heavy sound. But if the price difference is reasonable, the R60i NC is the model I'd buy. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more audio reviews and comparisons. And let me know in the comments which Soundcore earbuds you'd like me to compare next.